My name is Jonny Yumol from San Antonio, Texas. I've been bartending for 16 years. I currently run Bar du Mon Ami over there in San Antonio. It's a little neighborhood called Aloe Heights. I'm right now at Brass Hall here in Marble Fall, Texas. And I'm here to make a few cocktails for you guys. This cocktail is called the Mon Ami Collins. Now, today I'm gonna make it with Mezcal, but it's something that goes with vodka, gin, tequila, or Mezcal. Really good cocktail, really refreshing, not too sweet, really fun stuff too. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start off with some lime juice, about a 3/4 ounce. We're gonna put some simple syrup, just about a 1/2 ounce. And then we got this Chareau Aloe Liqueur. Really fun stuff. I love making stuff with this. Real light, kind of sweet, but not too sweet. There we go. Then we're gonna throw a couple of dashes of celery bitters on this one. So this is gonna be a refreshing, light, savory cocktail. And finally, if I can get the cork out, I'm gonna add some Mezcal. Right now we're using the Maguey Vida. Just 1.5 ounces of that. Put some ice in the glass over here. Put some ice in the shaker. Now let's do this. Then we're gonna top it off with a little bit of Topo Chico. And here is the Mon Ami Collins.